everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I marinate chicken. Usually I'll marinate chicken overnight and I just put this in the fridge so it takes its time to have all the flavors go in the chicken, and then I just roast it, and you can also fry the chicken. Today I have my chicken already washed, and I also have the spices that I'm going to use and other ingredients that I use to marinate the chicken. The spices I'm going to use today include cumin powder, black pepper, white pepper, and if you're very familiar with my channel, I use turmeric a lot, and also paprika. I often use some other spices as well, but this is what I have today that I'm going to use for to marinate the chicken. In addition, I use balsamic vinegar and also nor powder or chicken flavor powder, and also salt to taste. I'll go ahead and add all these spices to the chicken. These spices are the ones that I use. You may have some spices of your own choice, and I actually use some other ones as well, but today this is what I'm choosing to use. I add the nor powder. Some say quinoa, but I think in Nigeria we say nor powder. So I'm not sure which is the right pronunciation. Also salt to taste. And then I add the balsamic vinegar. What I like about using balsamic vinegar is that I think that it actually allows all the spices to get really to permeate all the chicken. To permeate the chicken very well, so I really do like that. You should try using balsamic vinegar, and just leave me a comment below if you find it improves the taste of the chicken, because it allows the flavor to really go into the chicken. Now you mix it all properly. And that's really all that I do. I would do this most of the time in the evening, and then I just leave it in the fridge overnight. And really that's all there is to it. And it sits in the fridge until the next day. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.